everyone, cover this empty box using hot glue gun and these white sticks. Now we are going to cover it using jute rope. We are also using a white color rope here. Now braid it like we are doing here and put it around those sticks like this. Make a round and remove it. Here we are going to make this beautiful pattern like this. One for white and one using jute rope. Now we are going to put it on the top, cut the extra part, paste a lace around it using hot glue gun, and your flower pot is ready. You're going to cut these dry sticks and paste all of them together around this plastic bottle using hot glue gun. Put a water inside and look, your planter is ready. You can add more decor using jute rope and it's done. In this video, we are going to make a beautiful basket. So paste this fabric on this plate and cover the bottom using jute rope and fabric. After this, we are going to paste all these sticks around it, bend it and give it a shape. Now we are going to cover it using jute rope. So make a circle and fill it like this. Braid it. We are also putting these beautiful beads and start rolling the rope around it like this. After this, we are going to cut this rope using scale. Fold it and tie a knot at the end. Here we are making the handle, so cut it, paste 2 beads. Same way we are going to make another handle for other side as well. Now paste it using hot glue gun. Start rolling around the basket and cut the extra sticks. Add more details like this. We're also putting this wire and another thread around it and give it a beautiful detail. We are pasting these beautiful lace around it using hot glue gun and your basket is ready. Mark a line on this glass jar using marker. Now cut jute rope and paste it in zigzag form around it using hot glue gun. Make a pattern like this. After this, we are going to cover the top and bottom using a thick rope like this. Use hot glue gun and paste it. Paste a bead at the center and look, your beautiful planter is ready. Paste double-sided tape on this cardboard. Now we are going to paste the beautiful fabric on the top. After this, we are going to paste sticks around it and cover the base as well. Now we are going to braid this beautiful thread around it. Put white beads and start braiding again over the sticks like this. We are going to make a beautiful pattern here. Finally, we are going to paste it using hot glue gun. Cut the extra parts. We are also putting this wire around it and cover it using this white fabric like this. Now cut a oval shape on another paper and you can also use a cardboard in place of this. Now paste a fabric. Here we are making a tissue box, so cover it like this. After this, we are going to cover it and paste another fabric using double-sided tape. Paste a beautiful lace around it, put it on the top of it and cut the extra part. Add more details like lace and beads and look, your tissue box is ready. Here we are going to use this empty container, paste double-sided tape on it and cover it using this white rope like we are doing here. You can also use a jute rope in place of this. After this, we are going to print this beautiful flowers on the top of it. You can use glue like this, spread it like we are doing here and look, your beautiful planter is ready. You can put fresh leaves inside it. Thank you so much for watching this video.